Early in the morning, rising to the street.
You should have saw me. You should have video me mixing it, because now it just looks like corn.
Pretty glum. I got this new waterer for the chickens.
Did you do this on purpose?
I'm super excited for it. Yeah, I did.
A lot though, don't you think?
I just put it in there so it's convenient for a shortcoming. I'm just gonna sprinkle in for it.
I'm gonna feed the pigs.
Okay.
And I'll feed the rabbits too.
Sounds good. I'll water the ducks. Go on in. There you go. Deborah. Todd. Todd.
You're freaking yourself out. He's freaking himself out. Look at him. I knew you were gonna do this. You're a fucking idiot.
Oh my goodness.
Go back the other way.
Oh my god. Why is he so funny? Why is he over there now? Mildred's on this side. Why do they have to be so silly? Oh my god. Mildred, it's so funny because Todd and Mildred are like such a couple. Like they're always together.
I knew it. I did see that a while back. I didn't know fucking do it about. What is it? What kind of arrow is it?
It's so funny.
That's
You probably.
I think it's from my fucking crossbow.
It's so funny. I don't know why I walk this way. That's so funny. We just now seen it because all the trees are bare. The hose.
You just turn it on? That was just a little bit, man. This one's pretty confident on it. What's on a boot?
Don't muddy in there.
Should be way bigger there, I think. We gotta just ask Mike how his are going.
I should have filled up this while I had the hose over here, but I forgot.
Yeah. It's great. Pigs, but that shit always looks like human shit. Isn't that crazy?
It's insane.
Like this was a jungle.
I know. Couldn't even see the fence, and now it's just a wasteland.
Shit, but a pig fucks it up.
It just goes for
They're part of the organic process when they do like a farm and shit. Pigs. They let them, that's what tills up your ground and shit. The pigs, you let them eat and they get a bunch of healthy shit.
So technically we could like garden over here. If we didn't have...
And then you could let the cows go over it. And they fucking eat all the grass that grows up from what they did. Then they shit on that. And it becomes like good soil.
Wow.
You plant. You till it up and plant. I remember the smart way to do this. You pick how much you're gonna use. Well, in this case, we're gonna use the whole thing. But are you videoing me? Okay. So if you're only gonna use this much, cut from here and cut all the way around, and then you can just pull the whole piece of plastic off instead of opening the top and sitting there and trying to shake it out. It's a pain in the ass. The shit is condensed. So just do what I said. But in this case, we're gonna do the whole thing. Cut it in half, because I'm gonna use both of them all the way, the whole thing. I'm still gonna do the chickens. That's fun.
Yeah, we gotta go We gotta go deal with the chicken army.
I probably got pig shit on me.
That's wonderful.
Living on the farm. It'll eat you. If you're in a flock, it'll eat you.
She's molting.
She looks like a zombie.
It's still Lila.
A zombie. It's a zombie for now.
A zombie
So Lila's a
chicken.
zombie. Okay, yeah. They're in zombie mode. That's what we're gonna call them.
Zombie mode.
They're in zombie mode when the time
They're
of year
molting,
comes.
yeah.
It's such a weird time. But it's because the fucking weather's so fucked up, I'm sure.
Girl, you crazy.
'Cause I think it's got something to do with the temperature change. Sorry,
The weather's been so weird lately.
Can we let 'em out?
No, baby, baby.
They're gonna water. She's fine.
Rufus is...
Out. Where's she from? Watch out.
She's gonna get me.
Oh, don't go in that nasty shit. Don't play the shit.
That is Berta.
What's your white fur?
We're cleaning out the coop.
I'm not even gonna clean all this shit out. It's not even
Here is Mary Jane, the star of the show. Delilah's the only one free ranging right now. They're a bunch of weirdos. That's Berta. She's the coolest. Our rooster Todd, Tiny Todd.
All new.
Look at Mary Jane. Just kidding. Mary Jane just always looks good in videos. She's the queen. Yeah, that's not good. Oh no, they're water. The rest of the chickens came out. They're roaming around. Yeah, I was pushing it all to the sides.
I don't know what people normally do.
Chill, you got it in my boot. Chill! That's just all their old bedding and poop and all of that. We're just gonna push it up against the side.
This is not good for your back. I'm sorry, you're right. I'm gonna
Well, the other one,
I'll make the next one with the boxes outside.
this is where they're going to be moving
This is good
to.
for kids, though.
Yeah,
Think they
This-
can get up in here and shit?
this is gonna be just for the rabbits here soon. And the chickens will have that
Oh,
as their
funny,
little
aren't-
house.
Aren't kids like in there what baby rabbits are referred to?
Kits.
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 You sure?
If I'm not mistaken. Fun fact, you can put lavender, roses, different types of herbs in their nesting boxes to help with smell, to help them feel relaxed, to help with bugs, all of that good stuff. I love how I'm just saying all this, and then there are his beautiful sound effects
I'm sorry.
and his butt. They're just saying his bum. This is their little door. Boop. There's Mary Jane. I just shut the door slightly because we have the coop door open for the chickens.
What's the next bag?
Look at your little dirty pole.
Take a video of the pig. Look at them playing. They're loving it. Playing in it. It's like a dog.
Yeah. They were running around the other day when I was bringing them food. Woo!
She's ready to get down. She's like, I'm not doing that bullshit. Why the fuck I gotta do that?
She said, I'm not going anywhere.
She's ready to go. Look at her.
You just...
Pounced at me. Like she said, I'm comfortable here, baby. Let's go.
We just need you in the cage.
Baby, what's up?
Just for a minute.
You just have the cage ready, because once I get it, I'm going to go.
Just so the
Look at
chicken.
the zip tie their shit back together. Look at you.
And I put a stick there just to hold it up a little bit because it came undone. That girl is so dangerous. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. We'll be separate soon, so
Alright.
Mary Jane,
Everything's
it's okay.
Just
Stay still.
You're a good rabbit, I know you are.
You'll be out
That
soon.
should be on the inside. Why is it on the outside?
Because she's normally out. Go on in. There you go. Deborah. Todd. Todd.
You're freaking yourself out. He's freaking himself out. Look at him. I knew you were going to do this. You're a fucking idiot.
Oh my goodness.
Go back the other way.
Oh my god. Why is he so funny? Why is he over there now? Mildred's on this side. Why do they have to be so silly? Oh my god. Mildred, it's so funny because Todd and Mildred are like such a couple. Like they're always together. We got Todd in, but Mildred is not joining the party. Yeah, but they know how to get in there. They just stay in there. They know how to get. They all sit on top of the net. She is obsessed with Todd. She's literally so obsessed with him. Do you even see her? She blends in. Go to your boyfriend. We're gonna get her in.